This week we are working on the sight words there and out. Please find the pages in your sight word journals for there and out, okay? Pull the pages out and I'd like you to practice with me. The first word we're going to practice is there. T-H-E-R-E, there. One more time. T-H-E-R-E, there. Now I'd like you to write the word there in the box. As you write it, spell it. T-H-E-R-E, there. Okay, the other word we have this week is out. It has that O-U diphthong we were talking about that says ow. So now that you know it, you can read it. Out, out. O-U-T, out. O-U-T, out. Now write it. O-U-T, out. Good job. Those are our sight words for this week. There and out. Now complete your other page with your sight words.